So one minute. So here you can see uh, that my app was loaded successfully and all the lists are there. So there was in 3 data, so 3 lists was visible when I click on Android. So here you can see that I get all the data as well as the description also. And again if I have click on Boom, then also I get the data a month, so I get this data. Now let's add the feature. What's it? That was, yeah, अपना app inspection, and here that was in 3 data, and in my notes app also you can see there is we have in 2 data. So here I am trying to delete this third one data with the name of Aman. So when I click on the Aman, you can see that this time, and when I long press on it, so it was not working. Let's see why it was not working. You can see that our app with the name of Notes app will be run here, and we get a 3 data. And here in app inspection also, let's go in app inspection, and here also you can see that we have in 3 data with the name of first one Android Master, second Ban, and then this was data updated successfully. Let's try to delete a third data. So when I click on this Aman, we get this note, delete note. Are you sure you want to delete this note? When I click on no, nothing will be happen. Now let's try to click on a yes. So here you can see that our third data should be deleted successfully, and when I update this, here you can see that our third data would be deleted successfully. So this was the last video of this series. So if you like this series, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please